Hillbilly Pyro here. What's happening, Pyromaniacs? As you can see, it was a success. Sounds pretty good. I replaced the coil and I replaced the ignition control module, which is also the crank position sensor. It reads like an optical disc. And this was the problem here with the coil. Now every time I see one of these Frontiers, just says buy a distributor, buy a distributor. If there's a reason why I should have bought a $300 distributor over a $25 coil, I'd really like to know. But yeah, parts stores don't even sell this. You got to order it online, of course. But that was the defect right there. You see that melted place? That was causing it to crossfire and arc it out and left me sitting beside the road, which really sucks. I'm getting ready to do some road testing and everything like that, but she sounds like butter and she's running smooth. Yeah, I think I got that all backwards, but alright. I'm just happy that she's up and going. Hillbilly Pyro out.